If you use LinkedIn to find for jobs, there's a possibility you might have come across this particular job opening. That's right, PUBG is looking to hire an associate level manager in India. The job posting is titled Corporate Development Division Manager on LinkedIn. It seems like PUBG Corporation is looking for a person to develop an overall strategy for mergers and acquisitions and investments with focus on the Indian market. The role also requires the candidate to support the setup process for PUBG India with guidance from Krafton's headquarters in South Korea. Just so you know, Krafton is the company that owns PUBG Corporation. By the way, if you like knowing more about gaming, do subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you're always in the know of our latest videos. Also, a like to this video would be totally awesome. Now back to the story. So why is this such a big deal? Well, you obviously know that PUBG Mobile has been banned in India. The new hiring by the company has excited many people as they thought it would result in the comeback of PUBG Mobile. But hold your jets. The job description on the online listing only mentions PUBG and not PUBG Mobile. It is important to note that while the government banned PUBG Mobile in the country last month, PUBG is still available on PC and gaming consoles. This means the game is still accessible for download and play across all compatible platforms. So by hiring a new manager, PUBG Corporation may want to bolster the presence of its original game and not its mobile version. That means this job may have nothing to do with PUBG Mobile at all, and even if it does, it doesn't mean PUBG Mobile is coming back to India until the government says so. We covered the PUBG Mobile ban in detail earlier through several videos and interviews. PUBG Mobile was the staple of several casual and serious gamers alike, and the ban of it somewhat affected their lives. People would come together and chill on voice chats in friendly lobbies. It was also a way of earning through streaming for several content creators. But over the course of time, they did move on to other games. Players have picked up games like Call of Duty and Garena Free Fire. Some have even moved on to platforms other than mobile gaming.
Some streaming Valorant, GTA and for Human Fall Flick and all.
Now it is your time to move the conversation forward. Have you moved on to any PUBG alternatives? How difficult would it be to go back to PUBG Mobile once it comes back? And more importantly, have you applied for the job yet? Tell us everything in the comments below. And for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.